Hey!
Hey!
Hey fam bam, that's what I call my friends.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what
Fam
we
bam.
call our family in YouTube.
Actually, yun din ang tawag ko sa YouTube family ko.
Really?
Fam bam.
Oh, so we're a fam bam! Yeah!
Actually, fam bam now. Part of our fam bam.
Hey fam bam! PM here.
Hey, I'm here.
How are you all doing today, fam bam? Guys, we're still on a diet, so we're having cucumber only.
So I'm gonna have half and then you can have.
And have the whole cucumber. Make sure you grab something to eat and eat with us, okay? Ready?
Nah. Hey Bam Bam! So we have
Jollibee!
we have Jollibee.
I went to Jollibee because you guys know that I have always, like for the past week, wanting to have Jollibee. So, I went to Jollibee and there's only one thing that I could have, or we could have. No rice, no bun, no spaghetti. So we're having chicken! Fried chicken. So
Should we just put it in there?
we're just gonna set this up and we'll be back in a little bit. So fam, we are back. We have how many pieces of chicken, baby?
8 pieces of chicken.
So this bucket cost us £11 something. So yeah, and then we ordered extra gravy. So we have our gravy over here at the front. Here we go.
£11.99.
Yeah, £11.99 for 8 pieces.
Gravies.
My favorite part. Stop taking it! And I'm just gonna dunk it in that
Nah,
gravy.
that's not my favorite part. This is my favorite part. Can we put the gravy here and then put the food in?
I put the gravy here.
Whoa.
There you go. Shout out to the coldest water bottle, fam bam. Make sure you check out the link down below. Use PM 21 AM to.
For a free shipping in United States.
There we go. Cheers.
Oh wait.
Are you gonna do it?
Beefy Jollibee. Oh yes. Ding ding.
One more. Cheers.
I so miss the rice too. And the spaghetti.
I'm good with this.
So tender. Juicy. I miss you so much.
What are you talking to me?
Wow. That makes me want food in front of you. Preferably Jollibee as well. Oh. I miss home. Sarap. Pag kumakain ng Jollibee, parang namimiss mo yung pagkabata mo, no?
Yeah. Say that in English.
Akala ko ikaw magta-translate. To be sitting. Whenever you eat at Jollibee, you feel like you're in your childhood again.
Mm-hmm. It's like you're biting into this portal that takes you back to your childhood.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, wow.
So 10 minutes.
That's how much
You missed.
I love Jollibee.
So 10 minutes before we did the mukbang, PM wasn't here because we're still buying Jollibee and you're still on the way here. We actually don't have any electricity. I think some fuse out somewhere blew up.
Possibly.
Blew up.
Oh, look, I got one piece.
No, that's not one piece.
Look how big that is, Mom. That's technically two. Oh, man. Wow. This just makes me happy.
Okay.
There you go, Mom. Take a bite. Take a bite. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on. The gravy's dripping. Come on.
Kain po tayo. Oh, and we're gonna do this series as we mentioned in our last video. We're gonna try our best to do a shout out. And I think I had an idea of bash out. Bash out. And we're gonna read some of the bad comments.
No fives. That's fine.
Yeah. So yeah.
So good.
Watch that in a second. Oh, actually my phone's charging. You've got a print screen in your phone? Okay, I've got some in my...
Is that shout out and bashing? Good.
Bash out. We're gonna call it bash out and shout out. And I love the comments from the last video about the chicken, the dry chicken. Let's just get some moving. Oh, you should put the bones in there.
What comment? Which one?
The recommendation. Or the recommendation. What they recommend. What they recommend about the how we gonna cook the dry chicken.
A lot of good ideas came out.
Yeah, and I think we're just gonna do it in a separate video somewhere. This is so nice. This part of chicken.
Can I have that, please? Please.
Yours.
Thank you.
I'm just mocking you.
I didn't see it that we should have another one. I was gonna ask for like all drumstick, you know.
Yeah.
The chicken's so hot though.
Yeah.
Like proper warm.
Magaling yung delivery driver ko eh.
Of course. You have an amazing delivery service.
Yeah. I don't need to give any tip.
You're cheap.
And the food is free.
If you're wondering who her delivery driver is, that'll be moi.
And also fam, did you see PM's face when I put makeup on him? You look like your sister and your mom.
Yeah?
Lian, I know you're watching.
Leon, look. Oh, I'm gonna dip it on gravy for you. Leon, look. Leon. Say ah. Come on. Take a bite. Take a bite of the screen. Leon will probably do it. My niece and nephew always watches our video. Mm.
And I'm petite as well.
Yeah.
I'm petite.
Sis, this one's for you. There you go. Take a bite. Come on. You know you want to have some chicken joy bite. Come on. Mm. How many chicken can you finish? What the hell?
For some reason that whistles. What do you mean? How many chicken can what?
Can you eat?
Fried chicken? Oh, I mean
Jollibee.
Jollibee. As long as they're all thighs, I think I can have 6.
6?
As long as they're all thighs.
Really?
Is that a challenge?
Still really crunchy. How many have you had? The third
This
one.
is my third one.
Can't be, I already had 3.
Yeah, this is my first thigh. Second thigh, and that's my third. I got 1. You already have, yeah, third, fourth.
So we have 9?
No! How many have you had?
3.
This is my third one. 6, 7, 8.
9.
No, that's just a
Oh.
second.
Paul, you just... No, Paul, I'm like, ooh, Jollibee being too,
Generous, huh?
Not possible with the chicken joy, huh? Oh, guess what I saw on their menu? Jolly hot dog. I was so tempted to buy it.
Next time.
And then I said, AM can have this with no bun.
Yeah.
But that would be wrong. You can't have...
You don't like me eating hot dog.
No, I mean, like, you can't have jolly hot dog with no bun.
You could have bought that for me.
Sorry, next time. That's crunchy. I'm full now. You didn't have any cucumber, that's why you can eat most. I have my cucumber already. Cucumber is filling, you know.
Why do you think I don't have it? I'd rather have my tummy filled with Jollibee.
What are you eating, Fam Bam?
Sure.
Have you ever had this combination? Chicken joy, gravy, and cucumber.
Have you dipped it in gravy?
No, shall I try? Ooh. First bite of gravy and cucumber. Not bad.
I cycled home earlier
Hmm.
and the wind is really strong.
Mm-hmm.
And I was by the bridge and my handle keeps on doing that.
I nearly got blown away. I was like staying and put. Like I was by the oh, careful. I was by the traffic light, and I was like, "Oop, hold on to my bike."
See? And you've got a heavy one. Mine is very light. Well, you should know it because your bike. Are you full?
I am. You're not. I am using her left hand today. Why is that, baby? Because we want to be really close to you, Bam Bam. We're both right-handed, so when we eat, like one of us will always have to, like, move. So what are we doing now, baby?
So, fam, we are going to do. Have you got your phone with you?
Mm-hmm.
Any shout-outs from your side?
No.
Because I all have bash.
None yet. So how about we do bash out today?
Okay.
No shout out.
No, we do a couple. Just a couple.
Do you have any?
Oh, there's a question in our comments.
Okay.
And I want you to answer it whilst we're in this video.
Okay.
From the Astoria. So the question is, from Patsy Vinson. I have a question. When you're in the Philippines, do you guys treat everyone? Question is why. I can see you spoiling your daughter, but not everyone else. Not once have I seen anyone treat you guys.
Hmm?
What do you mean, like?
We're not treating everybody.
We
always spoil our daughter when we're with her because why not, right?
Yeah.
I mean, ooh, starting to rain. It's not that we're always not with. I mean, it's because we're always not with her. So whenever we get a chance that we're with her, we buy the things
whatever things that we can buy for her.
Yeah. Whatever she wants, especially food. We would never say no to food because our daughter is very, very picky when it comes to food.
Very picky, but she loves to try a lot of food, especially fruits.
Yeah. Like, especially when you're with her.
Mm-hmm.
The both of you will just eat fruits.
Mm-hmm.
And then whenever our daughter has a really, really cool way of asking something, she never says, "Mommy, can I have that?" Or she never says, "Can you give me some of that?" No. She never says that. What does she say to me?
She's gonna say, "Mommy, what's that?" In Tagalog, guys, yeah. "Mommy, what's that?"
She'll go, "Mommy, ano yan?"
"Mommy, ano yan? Hindi ko pa yan natitikman siya."
So she'll go, "Mommy, what's that? I haven't tasted that before." And then that's when you know. That's when we realize that
That's how she
says something that she wants. Because we did tell her in the past that, baby, we're going to give you most of the things that you need. Most of the things that you want.
Just let us know.
Let us know, but don't beg for anything or ask for anything. In a sense that just don't ask anyone, just ask us. But the thing, I think the way that she took it in is that don't ask for anything. If that makes sense. But she does, nowadays she does ask something. But she only asks it for us, like to us. She got last time, she said she wanted an iPad, so we gave her an iPad for her 7th birthday.
I hand over my old iPad.
Yeah. She loves the iPad. She watches. We put like films in there, like Frozen. What else did we put in there, baby? Wreck-It Ralph. And there's like a few films in there, and she watches it all the time.
Princess and Frog, stuff like that.
Things that AM would watch all the time. Like literally, even though she's seen that film a lot of times, she's still gonna watch it.
I love the story of that Princess and the Frog. Really? Yeah.
My favorite story. Which one? I told you what my favorite story is, right? For like Disney film.
The only thing that I know that you always say that it's your favorite is the dolphin.
Ha! Free Willy.
There you go.
Yeah.
Is it a dolphin?
It's not a dolphin. It's a whale.
Oh well then.
Have you seen Free Willy? I love that film. You have no idea.
Told you.
It always makes me cry.
And also, yeah, BM doesn't love cartoons or all of that, but he loves sci-fi movie. Fun facts.
Yeah. I love sci-fi. I love Superman.
Hates horror movie.
AM loves horror movie. But
We're totally opposite, Fam Bam.
yeah, but we get along.
Do we? Joking.
Do we?
Opposite attracts. Same sex, yes. Okay.
Right.
Our first
Do you want this?
pleasure for today. Okay.
AM has a really terrible ones.
No, this is for you.
Oh, this is for me.
No, the time that you were cooking prawns with ketchup, Filipino style.
And by the way, Fama, we're gonna put them on the screen so that we can name and shame. Right?
His name is Dave Mia. Bobo mo. I'm gonna do this.
Go. Go on.
Why are you wet? Full of gravy.
Oh, thanks. Read in Tagalog and then I'm gonna translate it in English.
Bobo mo naman mag-English. Mag-Tagalog ko na lang nga.
You're so dumb when you speak English. Why don't you just speak Tagalog? That's what he said.
That's what he says. And there's another one recently from the
That was for me, by the way. When I was cooking the prawns.
Yeah, back home.
The most popular video that we have on our channel.
Mm-hmm. And then there's another one, the recent one for the roast chicken. What I'm saying is, what I said before is, roast fried chicken is only because it looks fried to me, but I know it's roasted.
No, you said we have like, we have grilled or fried.
Okay.
You said or in the middle.
Oh, did I? Okay. Anyway, there is a comment from Camille Rivera. Rivera ka pa man din, tol. I'm Rivera as well, you know. Just saying.
Am's mom.
My
when she
Lola
was-
is Rivera.
Mm-hmm.
We're probably related, mate. So you're probably my cousins too, or my
Somewhere down the line.
somewhere down the line. Anyway, what she said
You
is,
don't want to be related to this person, I'm telling you.
I know, I can tell how she speaks. I don't want to be related to
So
her.
this is her
This is her
commenting
comment. about the
within 1
reason-
hour.
Oh yeah, yeah, within an hour of that video being released.
No. Within 1 hour of her watching the video.
Okay. I swear a video is not even 1 hour.
No.
Okay, well, she realized it at the end that I'm dumb. Anyway, I'm gonna speak in a girl.
Right. This is AM reading her own basher.
Ang tanga mo, AM, mag-suggest. You will suggest that you don't know. Stupid. Number 1, stupid. That's one comment.
So, ang tanga means you're stupid.
And the second one, tapusin mo naman sentence mo, AM. What about PM's bones? Question mark. Hindi mo na naman tinapos yung English mo. You always change the topic if you cannot finish your sentence. Tanga-tanga. In fairness to her, she's actually translating it in English at the same time, right? So yeah.
So, finish your sentence. You always give out suggestions that you never finishes. And
Yeah, you always change
you're so
the topic
stupid.
if you cannot finish your
3
sentence.
times, by the way.
You're stupid, you're stupid, you're stupid. That's what she said in Tagalog. We're gonna post this somewhere in the screen.
Yeah,
so
it's gonna be in the screen, Fam Bam. You can read it.
And there's another one called no, she's the same one.
Another, but exactly the same person.
So she commented like 3 times.
Yeah.
Sobrang tanga naman ni AM. Go on. Grilled fried chicken.
You're so stupid, AM.
Grilled fried chicken. Ano yun? Tanga-tanga, not innocent.
You okay? Are you crying?
What? Tanga-tanga, not innocent. Anyway, that's our comment. Bam bam. Okay.
There's this one person that keeps on commenting on our channel that wants AM to speak Bisaya.
I wish I could speak Bisaya, but unfortunately, I don't speak Bisaya. AM, pag Bisaya na lang ikaw, si PM na lang mag-English, o si PM, PM na lang mag-English, basin mo gahan yung sabi? Question mark.
No idea what that is.
And then there's another one. We can't really translate it to you because you can't understand it. There's another one. Umpisa pa lang nanonood na. I can't.
Nanonood ko na kayo.
Iba kasamahan no.
100k to 500k na.
Oh, that's from Joy's Love. At least every basher can have, a shout out as well. And then you've got like the screenshot and everything in there. And I just love how our fanbam actually, when we release a video, they do a countdown. Like they comment first, second, third, fourth, fifth.
It went 10.
Anyway, that's our comment update. I love reading them.
Yeah.
At the same time, I don't like people commenting bad words.
But you can't help it.
And also, we decided to speak Tagalog last time, and there's still a basher. Apparently, why did PM didn't speak Tagalog? And why do we have to speak? Well, why did I stuff like that? Too much.
Yeah. That's it. Finished. Have it. I'm full.
Teka lang. Let me just have a look at one thing. Anyway, I'm gonna have the last piece of our. I don't know what happened to our chickens.
Evaporated. You didn't have your cucumber.
Okay.
No, you didn't.
I have it in a bit. I was gonna put that in my water.
You should put that in your water.
With gravy.
Rinse it out.
Thank you, Jollibee. Thank you, Jollibee, for
Being in the UK.
giving us a chance to eat our childhood, our favorite fried chicken ever. And being in the UK, PM is speechless right now because I'm full.
So Fam Bam, thank you so much for tuning in with us today. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever we upload a video. And as always, we love you, and we'll see you
so
again
much. See you next.
on our next.
See you in our next. See you in our next
video. What is wrong with you?
Okay, ulitin mo na.
Once again, Fam Bam, we'll see you in our next
Video.
Love you. Bye.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by.